What you're seeing now is the moment the press comes out generates hundreds of tons of force every second. But even the slightest misalignment can lead to die damage or material scrap. This is our main character today, the large-scale stamping die. Today we're going on-site to experience the tryout process, see what problems might arise along the way. During die installation, the upper die must be initially positioned after being mounted to the press slide, followed by fine lateral adjustment using a rod or wrench. This step may seem simple. If the upper and lower dies are not perfectly coaxial, punching misalignment is highly likely. This can lead to dimensional defects in the parts, and in severe cases, damage the die itself. It's one of the most common and most easily overlooked problems during tryout. After the die is installed, the press is activated and gradually increased to the required pressure. Next, we need to prepare the strip material. Since we're using a partially pre-punched strip from a previous tryout, we'll connect it to the new coil using a splice joint and feed it into the die station. This allows us to observe whether all die stations are functioning consistently and whether the feeding is accurate. For the trial punch, we apply die lubricant to reduce friction and prevent mold wear. Now, everything is ready. The press is about to start. Are moving into the first round of slow-speed tryout. We'll observe how the die performs under real working pressure. But don't be fooled, this is where the real test begins. Every detail in the die setup, every step of material feeding, and how the sheet reacts under pressure will all be revealed in this very first stroke. The trial punch is complete, and the first part has come out of the die. Everything may look fine at first glance, but the real verdict lies in the results of a full dimensional inspection. Are the hole positions accurate? Are there burrs along the edges? Has the sheet deformed? Are the dimensions within tolerance? These factors will determine whether the die is ready for mass production, or if further adjustments are still needed. We're now setting up for the second trial punch. Could die dosi come together in just one shot? It takes a full tearking together, tweaking, testing, refining. Someone checks the structure. Someone adjusts the feed. Someone measures the part. Every little fix is a step toward better stability and precision. HLC, this is how we turn every die from just working to truly production ready. If you're also looking for reliable and efficient tooling solutions, follow us for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.